Hello. Hello.
Hello.
We are grade 8 students from Miras International School, Kazakhstan, Astana. First of all, we have searched in different supports such as books, encyclopedias, etc. to understand the rules of physics to transform electricity into a magnetic field. We have used the theory of a physician called Laplace that says a conductor placed in a magnetic field B and run by a current I undergoes a force F.
The work is divided into three parts: theoretical research, simple motor realization, and optimization of the motor. The motor has been made in class by my group using the supply materials like copper, magnet, and others.
First, after making a simple motor, we noticed some drawbacks. Overheating problem, efficiency problem, deformation problem. The goal of our optimization was then to obtain a motor which is solid, efficient, and well balanced. The obtained result is a motor which is well balanced, solid, and with the rotation speed of 700 numbers of turns per minute.
The principle of the motor is based on the Laplace law. A conductor placed in a magnetic field B and run by a current I undergoes a force F. The purpose of the experiment was to transform the force F in rotation. For this, we have put a copper coil around the rotation axle, and we have created a magnetic field around copper wires and have connected the copper wires to the battery limits. We have noted that to the magnetic field from the current and the magnetic field from the magnets push on each other, creating a force on the rotor.
We have put the theory into practice and we have noted the rotation that was expected. We have called this first stage the simple motor. We have noted the following phenomena on the simple motor.
After a certain time, the copper wires heated, and this resulted in the deformation and the imbalance of the coil. So to resolve this problem, we decided to use a wooden axle as a support for the copper wires in order to avoid any deformation. We have noted that the more the number of the copper wires increased, the more the rotation speed became. So to optimize our motor, we have decided to put a large number of copper wires.
We have noted that the more the number of the magnets was, the more the rotation speed became. To optimize our motor, we have decided to increase the number of the magnets to optimize the magnetic field around the rotation axle. We have also noticed that with increasing the distance between the copper wires and the rotation axle, the motor has become more efficient. This statement made us use the wooden rotation axle to move the wires away from the axle.
The use of the wooden axle has permitted to make the motor more solid and more balanced, but at the same time remaining light.
We decided to put into practice all these improvements in the final motor. We tried different types of the wooden axle to find the best size. We tried to make the design simple, solid, and efficient. Our motor transforms electricity into kinetic energy. This rotation can be used to move a vehicle's wheels, to display the air with a turbine, and so on.
Noiseless and smokeless, it is clean environmentally. Replacing the motors and internal combustion engines will make solid adjustments in economic activity. It is by definition a universal, virtually unlimited capacity engine. Magnetic motor generator may serve as a primary energy source. This project was made by
Alua
Rabiya
and Evgueni.